Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make cream of crab soup recipe step by step. Begin by gathering fresh crab, stock, cream, butter, onion, celery, and seasonings. Prep ingredients by chopping aromatics and measuring liquids precisely. Keep crab cold and set aside until the final stages. I will guide you through making a roux, building flavor, adding cream, and finishing with seasoning for a silky, restaurant-quality soup. Heat butter in a heavy pot and whisk in flour to form a pale roux, then cook briefly to remove raw taste. Add chopped onion and celery and saute until soft and fragrant. Slowly whisk in warm stock to prevent lumps and simmer gently to concentrate flavor. Taste and adjust seasoning, then let the base reduce slightly before adding cream and crab for a balanced, velvety texture that carries the crab. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and future recipes. Quick recommendation. The Kindle Paperwhite makes reading recipes in the kitchen effortless, with a glare-free screen and long battery for marathon cooking sessions. It fits easily on a counter without taking space and resists splashes better than paper. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Lower heat and stir in heavy cream, warming the soup gently without boiling to avoid separating. Add lump crab meat at the end to preserve tender flakes and heat through slowly while tasting for salt and balance. Brighten with a squeeze of lemon and chopped parsley, and serve immediately with crusty bread or oyster crackers. Leftovers reheat gently and often benefit from a touch more cream or stock for texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.